Vanakkam. Hello everyone. I'm Dr. Aisha, oral and maxillofacial pathologist and founder of Foursquare's Dentistry, Chennai. In today's episode, we are going to talk about gum health. Yes, your gum health with Dr. Afreen, specialist in periodontics. Thanks for joining us, doctor. Could you quickly tell us about what a periodontist does?
Hello doctor, we periodontists deal with structures which surround the teeth. We have various roles to play, right from simple tooth cleaning to gum surgeries, both surgical and non-surgical gum therapies we do, and we also take care of the root coverage procedures, periodontal aesthetic procedures involving laser depigmentation procedures, and also certain soft tissue surgeries wherein your gums are corrected, okay, and also we deal with implants.
What are some early signs that our gums are not healthy?
One of the earliest signs of the gingival inflammation or gum inflammation is gingival bleeding. The gum starts to bleed either during brushing or during eating, okay? So there may also be bad breath noted in patients. The gums also notes certain changes in color and contour consistency. Normal color of the gums is going to be pale pink, which during inflammation it's going to be reddish pink in color, and also there is going to be some swelling in the gums that is going to be evident.
Is gum disease common? What causes it?
Gum diseases are very common. 1 out of 2 individuals are affected with gum diseases, and there are numerous risk factors for gum diseases. It includes diabetes, smoking, poor oral hygiene maintenance, hormonal imbalances. Poor oral hygiene as such, when oral hygiene is not maintained properly, the food deposits might get stuck between the gums. It irritates the gums, causing and provoking the gum inflammation.
Can brushing and flossing alone prevent gum problems?
Brushing and flossing definitely helps in preventing the gum issues. It is always the thumb rule. 2 minutes of brushing twice daily always helps. And usage of certain interdental cleaning aids like flossing helps in preventing the gum issues. And don'ts include having any adverse oral habits like smoking or inappropriate usage of toothpicks, which patients usually do, and also including nail biting. These are oral habits which should be avoided as far as your gums are concerned.
What happens if gum disease is left untreated?
As I already stated, your gum diseases starts with simple gingival like gums bleeding as well as gum swelling. If it is left untreated, it can go to the extent of tooth loss and bone loss. The duration always varies from patient to patient. In certain medical conditions like in diabetes, it always fastens up the procedure. I know it's always better to maintain a natural tooth and natural smile, but of course the situation becomes difficult in cases of patients with gum diseases. But implants are always a best solution if you have already lost your teeth due to gum diseases.
What's a deep cleaning and scaling, and when do we need it?
Scaling is a simple tooth cleaning procedure wherein the ultrasonic tips that vibrate at 20,000 RPM are used to remove the deposits on the teeth. There are certain myths that are there. People believe that this scaling can result in spacing between teeth and also loosening of the teeth. Let me reassure you, the spacing or the gaps between the teeth are naturally present in you, between your teeth, and also loosening of the teeth occurs immediately after, stays just for a day or two until your tissue heals, until the gums heal, until it becomes firm. And also deep cleaning is when the tips are inserted below your gums to remove all the deposits that are present below the gums, okay? So it is going to be a very simple solution for all your gum issues.
How often should someone visit a periodontist?
For a normal healthy patient, it is always mandatory to visit the dentist every 6 months. For persons with gum issues or with any periodontal issues, depending on the complexity of the treatment, the recall visits will be scheduled accordingly. Gum health as such is often overlooked. So if you have any symptoms of bleeding gums or bad breath, it is always the time to visit your dentist. There is always a saying, oral health as such acts as a mirror of your general health. So a few minutes of care can definitely prevent years of trouble.
If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to hear more oral health tips. We at Foursquare Dentistry are open 365 days a year, as your smile deserves our support every day.